OpenAI just launched two new compact models, GPT 5.4 Mini and Nano. They're faster, more capable, but also up to 4 times more expensive.
Welcome to 5-Minute AI News for Wednesday, March 18th, 2026. We'll break down OpenAI's new pricing strategy, plus Microsoft's big pivot to pursue superintelligence, and how Google is rolling out personal AI to everyone in the US.
Let's start with those new OpenAI models. They're designed for specific tasks like coding assistance and controlling a computer. The idea is to have smaller, more efficient models for high-volume work, and the GPT 5.4 Mini apparently almost matches the full-size model's performance.
Which is impressive, but that price hike is steep. It signals a shift where OpenAI is charging a serious premium for its most advanced, specialized capabilities. This isn't about making AI cheaper for everyone. It's about selling high-performance tools to developers who can afford them.
Exactly. And speaking of high performance, Microsoft is restructuring its entire AI division with the explicit goal of achieving superintelligence. This is a huge strategic pivot from CEO Satya Nadella, who previously called AI models a commodity.
It seems the commodity mindset is over. This move signals Microsoft is doubling down on developing its own proprietary models, intensifying the race and challenging partners like OpenAI. They clearly believe having the best in-house model is the key to long-term leadership.
And they're not the only ones. Mistral AI just unveiled its Small 4 model, which combines fast text, reasoning, and image processing. They also launched Mistral Forge, a platform for enterprises to train custom models from scratch on their own data.
That's a direct challenge to the big players. Instead of just fine-tuning an existing model, Mistral is offering businesses the chance to build their own AI from the ground up, which is a very powerful proposition for companies with sensitive data.
On a related note for developers, a company called Unsloth AI just released Unsloth Studio. It's an open-source, no-code tool that makes fine-tuning large language models on your own local machine much, much easier.
So this lowers the barrier to entry? It sounds like you won't need a massive data center to customize a powerful model.
Precisely. It's about 2x faster and uses 70% less VRAM, meaning you could fine-tune a model like Llama 3.1 on a single high-end consumer graphics card. It's a big win for the local-first AI development community.
Moving from developers to consumers, Google is now making its personal intelligence feature available to all users in the US, not just paid subscribers. This lets the Gemini Assistant connect to your Gmail, Photos, and YouTube.
It makes the assistant way more useful. It can find information in your emails or create a summary of a YouTube video because it has the context of your personal data. It's a major step in making AI a deeply integrated part of your digital life.
And while we talk about agents, a startup called WorldID launched an agent kit. It's a tool to verify that there's a real human behind an AI agent, using their iris scanning tech to prevent large-scale bot attacks.
A proof of human for AI agents. That's going to become increasingly important as these agents start performing more actions on our behalf online.
Absolutely. But not all AI integration is getting a warm welcome. NVIDIA's new DLSS 5 technology for gaming is receiving major backlash. It uses generative AI to enhance graphics, but gamers are calling it AI slop that creates an uncanny gloss on character faces.
The tech is supposed to infuse pixels with photorealistic lighting, but it seems to be overstepping the original artistic intent. It's a fascinating example of user resistance when AI's output feels artificial or unwanted.
Meanwhile, in the government sector, the Pentagon is reportedly looking for alternatives to Anthropic after a dramatic falling out. This shows the volatile nature of these big government AI contracts.
And it highlights the Pentagon's need to not rely on a single vendor. To that end, OpenAI has reportedly partnered with AWS to offer its models to the US government for both classified and unclassified work, stepping right into that competitive space.
It seems the race for government contracts is heating up just as much as the race for superintelligence, a big week for strategic moves from the industry's largest players.
To recap, OpenAI is specializing its models and raising prices, while Microsoft reorganizes its entire division to chase superintelligence. The AI arms race is clearly accelerating.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and leave us a review on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. It really helps others find the show.
Thanks for tuning in to 5-Minute AI News. Have a great day.